The eternal surge. The longing for the stars. Humanity's gaze has always reached toward the stars. The eternal surge. The search for life. A question older than civilization itself. Older even than language, older even than recorded history. Since the first spark of awareness flickered within the human mind, we have lifted our eyes to the heavens, toward that vast, unending ocean of stars, and wondered what might be waiting beyond the dark, beyond the reach of our imagination. Every night sky has been a mirror, reflecting our curiosity, our fears, our endless longing to understand our place in the cosmos, and the faint possibility that we are not alone. Somewhere in that boundless black expanse, a single question echoes through eternity, a whisper that never fades. Are we truly alone in the universe? From the moment fire met human hands, we sought meaning in the heavens. Long before telescopes or rigorous science, our ancestors looked up and read the stars as messages from the divine. The Babylonians pressed the motion of the constellations into clay tablets, believing they could read the destiny of kings in the heavens. The Egyptians built monumental temples and pyramids, aligning them perfectly with the rising sun, bridges of light between earth and sky, between mortal life and eternity. Across continents and ages, philosophers, mystics, and dreamers searched the night for signs of the divine. They imagined that somewhere among those distant fires, other worlds might exist, other beings watching the same cosmic sea we do. They saw gods and spirits woven through the constellations, but beneath those myths burned something deeper, a spark of science, a hunger not for power, but for truth, an unquenchable desire to know what lies beyond the horizon of our vision. As time advanced, our understanding grew sharper. Curiosity evolved into invention. Polished stones became glass lenses. Lenses became telescopes. And telescopes became colossal observatories stretching human vision to the edge of the universe itself. We built instruments capable of seeing what no human eye had ever seen before. The faintest whispers of light from the dawn of time, echoes of creation itself, traveling billions of years to reach us. We learned to listen to the cosmos, to hear the faint hum of distant stars, the murmurs of galaxies far older than our solar system, to trace the rhythm of the universe through light itself. Each discovery pulled back the veil of mystery a little further, yet deepened our wonder even more. We realized the night sky was not a ceiling, but an ocean, vast, alive, and endless. And we, fragile creatures of dust and thought, were only beginning to learn how to set sail. The dream once spoken beside ancient fires has transformed into science, a pursuit powered not by myth, but by precision, by data, by daring imagination. We no longer simply gaze upward. We listen to the stars. We read their language written in light, decode their secret patterns, and trace their stories back to the birth of time. Every photon that touches our instruments is a traveler from the past. A messenger that has crossed the ocean of eternity to tell us who we are, and where we come from. Among all the wonders humanity has created, none shines brighter than our golden eye in the void, the James Webb Space Telescope. Launched in 2021, Webb is more than a machine. It is a monument to curiosity, a cathedral of science, unfolding its wings in the silent vacuum of space. Its massive mirror, over 6 meters wide, blooms like a golden flower, catching the faintest embers of ancient light that began its journey before Earth, before the Sun, before the planets themselves had formed. Unlike Hubble, which revealed invisible colors, Webb peers through dust, through darkness, through the very fabric of time itself, into the hidden infrared realm where the first stars and galaxies whisper their beginnings. Through its golden gaze, we see what was once unseen: the birth of stars, the formation of galaxies, the delicate outlines of worlds orbiting faraway suns. Each image Webb sends back is more than a photograph. It is a window into creation itself, a time machine peering across the vast corridors of cosmic history. The James Webb Space Telescope is not merely a tool. It is a bridge between what humanity once was and what it is destined to become. Through it, we are not just observing the universe, we are listening, learning, and understanding its subtle whisper. Among the countless worlds Webb has revealed, one stands apart, a small, silent planet circling a dim red sun in the quiet constellation of Leo. Its name, K2-12B. At first, it appeared unremarkable, just another exoplanet among billions wandering the Milky Way. But within its atmosphere, hidden in the faint light of a distant sunrise, was a secret that could change everything. K2-12B lies within its star's habitable zone, that delicate cosmic distance where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. Where there is water, there may be life. When Webb's golden mirror turned toward this distant world, the starlight passing through its atmosphere carried the fingerprints of familiar molecules: water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, the same ingredients that make Earth a living, breathing world. Then came something extraordinary, a faint, mysterious chemical whisper from across 120 light-years. A molecule known as dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. On Earth, DMS is produced almost entirely by life, by microscopic plankton drifting in oceans, breathing tiny traces of existence into the air. If the signal from K2-12B is real, then somewhere in that distant system, a vast ocean world might be alive, breathing, changing, evolving beneath an alien sun. It would mark the first time in human history that we have detected a potential biomarker beyond our solar system. A chemical whisper suggesting that life is not confined to Earth. Yet K2-12B is no ordinary world. It belongs to a strange family known as sub-Neptunes, planets larger than Earth, smaller than Neptune, entirely absent from our own solar system. Does it hide a rocky surface beneath a global ocean stretching thousands of miles? Or is it a miniature gas giant, wrapped in clouds of hydrogen and mist? No one knows for certain. K2-12B orbits its cool red star at just 0.18 astronomical units, closer than Mercury is to our Sun. A year there lasts only 13 Earth days. Yet because its star burns faint and gentle, this alien world rests in a fragile balance, where liquid water could still endure. Imagine it. A world bathed in soft crimson light, its sky veiled in mist and vapor, its seas endless and dark. Beneath those waves, unseen life forms may drift, releasing faint gases into the air, their presence written into light and captured by Webb's unblinking golden eye. If that vision is true, K2-12B is more than a planet. It is a message, a whisper through the void that says, "You are not alone." Webb uncovered these secrets using transmission spectroscopy, where starlight filters through a planet's atmosphere, allowing scientists to read its chemical code like the diary of another world. Each wavelength tells a story. Each color holds a clue. Through this method, Webb revealed methane, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and perhaps the faint breath of DMS. If confirmed, it would be one of the most profound discoveries in science. Proof that life is not a rare accident, but a natural rhythm woven into the universe itself. Imagine the implications. If life exists there, then among the 100 billion planets orbiting stars in our galaxy, life may be everywhere, hidden in alien oceans, thriving beneath skies of blue, red, or gold, in ways beyond human imagination. Future missions, like NASA's Habitable Worlds Observatory, will capture direct images of these distant planets, revealing oceans, continents, and clouds drifting across alien suns. Step by step, humanity draws closer to the truth that has haunted us since the dawn of time. Are we alone? Or are we part of something far greater? A vast cosmic family stretching across the stars. Whatever the answer, one truth remains. With every discovery, the universe feels a little less empty, and the hope that we are not alone burns brighter than ever.